Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your background color in Canva. What we're going to do is we are going to open the Canva app and we are going to get a new template. So we are going to come to the bottom of the screen and press this button that's purple with the white plus in it. We are then going to do a presentation. So we're just going to press that button here. We're going to use a blank template. So we're just going to swipe down on that. And there you can see that we've got our blank template there. So if you just press on your template, and as you can see at the bottom, we've now got this option here for color. So if you press that, you can see we've got lots of different colors to choose from. So I'm going to choose pink. And then if you press the cross button, there you go, you can see that we have changed our background to pink. You have got the option to add a gradient color if you want. So to do this, press on the template again, press color. Now come to the left and press this multicolored circle with the plus button. And as you can see there, you've got gradient colors. So you've got solid color, or you've got gradient. So you can choose the different pattern that you want, and then you can also choose the different colors. So select a color. So if you press the purple, and then let's say that we're going to make it a blue, and there we go, we have now changed our two colors to blue and pink. You can also add a third color by pressing the multicolored button with the plus in it, and then you can add, say, a green, and there we go, we have got three different colors going on there. So that is how to change your background color in Canva. I really hope that you guys found this video useful. If you could give us a like and a subscribe, that would be awesome, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.